Hey guys, today I have an unboxing of a Kodak Zi6 for you. Got it last night for $195, so I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it for you. Alright, here we go. Looks like the software for it, but unfortunately I don't think this works on Mac computers. Instructions. The charger for the batteries. The wrist strap for the camera itself. HD and AV cables for the TV, so you can hook the camera up to the TV and watch your video. The rechargeable batteries. Carrying case, I believe this is. It's like a microfiber material. Yeah, that's what that is. A little pouch for it. And this is the camera, Kodak Zi6. It shoots in HD at 30 or 60 frames per second, 720p. Looks really nice. Speaker. I think that's a 2.4-inch LCD screen. And it says that it's in HD and can be directly uploaded to YouTube. With the software, unfortunately, not for Mac, only Windows. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Remember to comment, rate, subscribe, and check out my website at blakestechblog.com.